This is flint. Flint is a spark and can ignite big fires, little fires, and everything in between. When flint is left alone under critical fire weather conditions, an uncontrollable wildfire can develop, devastating communities and ecosystems. But fire is actually a natural phenomenon, and many ecosystems need fire to flourish. When humidity is high and winds are low, flint can create the kind of mild fires that benefit forest health. Sometimes we can use flint to conduct a prescribed burn. A prescribed burn is the controlled application of fire led by a qualified burn boss under specified conditions in order to restore health to fire-adapted ecosystems. This method is one of the most crucial strategies used in fire management today to reduce wildfire risk. Prescribed burns are especially important in the western U.S., where wildfires are very severe. By removing the buildup of dry, combustible vegetation, flint can help prevent dead brush and overgrown forests from contributing dangerous fuel to future wildfires. Now, if a fire starts, it will be much less destructive in places where flint has already removed the dry brush during a prescribed burn. Prescribed burns also reduce the spread of invasive pests, recycle nutrients back into the soil, encourage the new growth of native plants. And with fewer seedlings and saplings, you even increase the availability of water for flora and fauna. Flint is often underappreciated or misunderstood, but we can change that. With prescribed burns, we can keep ecosystems healthy and communities safe.